Come, come, come. Oh, you stupid. If you are entering my Steam car giveaway, subscribe to my channel, leave a like, turn on post notifications, the bell, and write a comment related to this video. Now this is the game. The real games. Hey dudes, welcome to a brand new video. In today's clip, guys, I'm playing one of my childhood games. Now, knowing that you guys like my challenges and you guys like my games, I decided that I will do my best to make 2 videos every single day. One video is gonna be me playing the game that I like, and second video is gonna be challenge. So guys, today's video I'm gonna play one of my childhood games. This one is called Tom and Jerry House Trap. Now this game is so fun and this shit will never get old. So guys, if you don't know nothing about this game, I'm sure this is gonna be interesting to you. You're gonna like this. And as it for me, I will enjoy something what I enjoyed playing so much back in the days. So guys, here we go. Let's go. To support this video, smash the like button in the tits. And if you wanna see your name in one of my videos, subscribe to my channel, join Team Dean, where I'll be making videos every single day, and turn on post notifications and write a comment related to this video down below. Good luck, you have just entered. So, first level is called mouse cleaning. Now, write me the comments, do you remember this game? Have you ever played it? If not, sit down and enjoy the show. This is gonna be fucking amazing. Let's go. Apparently I need to beat him up, and that's what I like. Yeah. Just continue like, watch this. Let's go. Beat him. Banana. Let's go. Yes, take this. So I can, you know, put some traps in the house. Watch this. And now if he comes here, look. Take that, you cold ass bastard. Let's go. Let's put trap here. Come on, Jerry, put trap. Good. Now come. Put trap over here as well. Can I put over here? It doesn't work now. And the music rules. That's all. Come. No, I'm not gonna beat you soon. There is the trap, right here. No. We need to do it one more time. There we go. Come on, grab him. Grab him. He needs to be half naked. No. One more time, let's do it. I have to catch him. Come on. Okay. He got caught. Come here. This trap is the best one here. Come. Oh yeah. Yes! I made this trap before. So this is it. It's very interesting. It really makes me feel relaxed. And these are type of games that I like the most. So I'm gonna play that, guys. And these chilled games are gonna prepare me for the 3 AM challenges that I'm gonna make for you today. So the next level is gonna be Bowling Brawl. This is amazing, this is fun. Let's see. So now I will show you another trap that we can do over here. I played many games, guys. I played, from now on, I'm gonna play on the channel what I like the most. Because if I don't enjoy some game, it's not gonna be a good video. When I enjoy like this, it's gonna be perfect. Come. Oof, that even hurt me. Sing, motherfucker. Yeah, you fucking hit him right now. Come. Ah, there we go. Give me that. Hit him. Hit him. Yes, and now come to me. Come. Watch. Look at this. Can we put this trap over here? No. He's beating me up. Watch the show. He's watching Tom and Jerry. I can hit him. Boom. Perfect. Now the new doors are opened over here, but I need to come here. I need to show you this trap. It's the best one. It's the best. Come. No. Come here, bastard. Return. Okay, he wants to set me a trap. Ah, man. Fuck. Let's go. No, you missed. Come here, come over here. Come over here, bastard. I missed him again. Let's go. To. Ajde, jebem ti mater, dođi. Let's go together. Yeah, we are both naked. Fuck. That's the best trap over here. Let's go now, let's finish him off. Die. Die for today's level. Actually, he's not dead. Do not worry, just unconscious from all those beatings. So, that's it. Should we do one more level for today's episode? This is so... I like this so much, I will tell you this. So, thanks for the memories. How much I'm recording this, I'm curious. So, let's do this maybe one more time. Thanks for the memories. Let's play. So, this is it. So the next level is gonna be thanks for the memories. Let's see, so every single time when we go on the next level, or when we play another level, some new doors are opened. You see, right now we got this, and I can hit him with the book. That's it, to make yourself to be more clever. Boom. Oof, I can hit him all day. It never gets old. Come, a trap over here. Somehow it doesn't work always. Yes, now it works. Come. This is my favorite one. Oh, fuck. Yes, that's it. I know he will come. He cannot resist that. Come on, motherfucker, come. That's it, motherfucker. Come. Oh, you stupid. Okay, he wants to grab a book. Hit him with a book. How did you miss? Oh, what's this? Oh, I can get this baseball shit. Let's go. Now he's mine. Look at this. Dance, sing. Whatever the fuck you want. I'm gonna beat you up. Oh, if I can just make him to come here. Come, Tom. Come. Boom. Come. Now I'm gonna wait him right here. I know he will come. Through the kitchen, hopefully. No, through the kitchen come. Okay. I'm waiting him right here. It's good when you can see, you know, like on the split screen. We are up, he's down, and now I can follow his movements. Come. Okay, the moment has come. Right here. He's mine now. Die! Yes! Fuck you, Thomas. This is fun. So, 3 levels we passed. This is the game that makes me so relaxed and chilled, especially knowing that today I will make the 3 AM challenge. So, the next time is gonna be Confused Kitty. Confused Kitty is gonna be the next level. So guys, what do you think about this game. If you like the video, if you enjoyed this game, if you like Tom and Jerry, if you find this game cool, then leave a like, smash the like button. If you wanna see more, give it a thumbs up, and if this happens to be your first video on the channel, then subscribe, join Team Dean, where I'll be making videos for my audience. Thank you very much for watching. From now on, guys, listen, when you see 3 AM challenge, a lot of you guys like that, so watch that and suggest me new 3 AM challenge. If you guys like games and not 3 AM challenges, then wait for the games like this, because every single day I will publish one game that I like and one challenge. So if you like games and not challenges, wait for the games. If you don't like games and you like challenges, ignore the games and wait for the challenge. So guys, I wanna put some variety on the channel, what I like the most and how I think. So if you like this channel, if you like what I post, then follow me, support me, you know. If I'm happy with my content, if I'm happy what I'm doing, if I'm doing something what I love, then the video is gonna be cool. I cannot play the games that I don't enjoy because the videos are gonna be bad. I like to play games that I like the most, and that's all. Also with the challenges, I enjoy making challenges, so guys, it's scary, it's good, and I like that. So support me all the way, guys, and that's gonna be good. So thank you so much for watching. You're welcome for this video. I will see you all next time. Dean up and have a high five. Whoosh.